Today we're at the electrical walkthrough. This will be the first of several meetings that are on the construction site of your actual home. A couple of general rules to consider during these walkthroughs is that these are active construction sites, which means there's a degree of danger and safety that have to be considered through all of these meetings. So we want to make sure that we're aware of the elements. One, is it hot? Is it cold? Are we dressed appropriately for the meeting? And it's not the best place for children. But when we're here, we're not here to pick where every switch or every outlet goes. There's a lot of codes that dictate where outlets go, where switches go, but we want to focus on the creature comforts. Where are your TV outlets? Where are your telephone outlets? Are you doing any network wiring, or is the house going to be on Wi-Fi in the future? One thing to consider are using Cox Communications, DirecTV, or AT&T, because that has some bearing on the style of wiring we pull to those locations for your TV or your computer. Another thing we want to focus on is the lighting. What type of lighting in the locations that you're going to have? Are we doing under cabinet lighting? Do we have any accent lighting around a fireplace or a master tub, or perhaps inside of a glass cabinet? But also we want to look at the lighting for each room. In your kids' bedrooms or the office or the living room, how many flush mount LED lights are we going to put in those locations? Some of those can be added at a later date, but some of those we want to get the boxes in and located early on during this stage. So keep those things in mind. During the electrical walkthrough, there's also opportunities where you can add items that weren't considered ahead of time, such as exterior lighting. You can also add things such as gas ranges to fireplaces, gas stub outs on the back of the house for, say, outdoor kitchen or a fire pit. And all of those are items that we want to look at this stage of the construction to make it easier for you and your future uses.